Hi Kambal! Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo at sa akin din. Hopefully, mag-enjoy ka sa iyong kaarawan. Dahil hindi man tayo magkasama sa ating 50th birthday. Ang aking lang panalangin sa ating buong may kapal. Bigyan tayo ng good health. Many more birthdays to come. At sana, hindi ka magbabago para sa amin. And sana gabayan ka palagi ng ating buong may kapal. Basta ang aking wish lang, magkita tayo ulit para at least meron tayong reunion for the last time around. Kasi wala na si Papa. So, ang wish ko lang, maging happy ka sa ating 50th birthday. Enjoy. And I wish you many more birthdays to come. Good health. And see you on October. I love you, Kambal. Enjoy your day. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, sister. Ganda ko, di ba? Binabati kita ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Golden kaarawan. Happiest 50th birthday and say Major Kambal Gary. All the best. Mwah, love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Sis Army. Wishing you all the best in life. Cheers and enjoy your special day. I love you so much, sis.
Happy birthday, Ming! Ingat ka dyan at enjoy sa iyong araw ng kaarawan. God bless!
Happy birthday po, Tita Army. Take care always po. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Sis Me. Cheers to 50 years.
Happy birthday, Tita Army. More blessings and birthdays to come.
Happy birthday!
Okay na. Happy birthday! God bless and we love you always.
Birthday, Tita Army. Wishing all the best in life. Ingat po palagi sa US with the family. Thank you so much po sa lahat. And love you, Tita. Happy birthday, Tita Army.
Happy birthday, Tita! More birthdays to come and candles to blow. May the Lord continue to bless you and your family with love, good health, and unending happiness. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Tita. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. And thank you for everything. I love you po, Tita.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lola Army!
I hope you have a great time.
We love you.
We love you.
Bye-bye.
See you soon!
Happy birthday, Wawa. Happy birthday, Wawa. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Wawa. Happy birthday, Wawa Army. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Army! We wish you all the best and we love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita. Thank you so much sa lahat. Ingat po palagi dyan. See you soon!
Happy birthday, Tita Army.
Happy birthday, Tita Army!
Happy birthday, Army. It's okay, Howard.
Wishing you a beautiful day with good health and happiness forever. We love you! God bless!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Army! We love you! God bless! Dali, Don, sabihin mo. Ayaw, love you.
Sige na, dali na.
Happy birthday po, Tita Army. God bless po and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday po, Tito Army.
Gulat ka, no? Akala mo kung sino tong babati sa iyo? Pero, eto na ako. Happy birthday, sis! Wish ko lang sa iyo ay good health, pati na rin sa pamilya mo. Okay? Happy birthday! Enjoy! I love you, sis!
Happy birthday, Ate Army! I may not know you personally, but I know that you have a kind heart. I see how you cared for our Lola, and it really means a lot. And I wish you a good and happy life, and may God bless you always.
Happy 50th birthday, Tita Army! We love you!
Happy birthday, Army!
Happy birthday, Army! God bless you more and stay strong and healthy.
Happy birthday, Ate Army. May God bless your kind heart and may you continue to be a good friend to everyone. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi, best friend Army! Yan, 50th birthday na natin. So, bumabata na tayo lalo. Gustuhin ko mang pumunta dyan, best, pero alam mo na, pang Pilipinas talagang beauty natin. So, yun. Gusto ko lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday at sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Gusto ko lang maging happy ka lagi. Basta dito lang ako lagi for you and I love you so much, my best friend Army. Happy birthday. Mwah. See you soon. Love you.
Hi, Bessie. Happy birthday to the kindest, most generous person I know. Hope you have a fantastic 50th birthday. Life start at 50, sabi nga nila. Happy best day, best friend. 50 years of life is definitely something to celebrate. Love you. Enjoy.
Okay. Happy birthday, Army. Enjoy. Go ahead, your turn.
Happy birthday, Sisi. Enjoy your day. How I wish we nandyan kami. Plano pa naman kami i-surprise ka sa birthday mo, but something happened tomorrow. So, enjoy mo na lang ang birthday mo, okay? See you soon. That's it. Bye.
Bye.
Miss you. Miss ya.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hi, Ate Army. Happy birthday. I just want to say thank you for everything. I'm not gonna be here kung wala ka nung I needed the most na... Ay, iiyak. No, I'm not gonna cry. Yung I needed the most someone to talk to me. So, just want to say happy birthday and I love you. God bless you always. Wow.